Hello and welcome to the second tutorial for how to draw help on youtube.com and also on my website at www.howtodrawhelp.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a bird. So I've already got a page open to start. And really it's a process of creating some shapes to begin with. I'm just going to make an initial layer for the template, and maybe I'll just click a different color like purple or something. So I'm going to start off with a kind of a circle and another circle. So just very simple circles. This is more like an egg shape or an oval shape. And then just a place for his feet, or his legs that come out there. He's kind of going to be from a different angle, sort of from the front, sort of from the side. So I'm just kind of going to draw in one of his wings, a little bit over there, and then his tail comes out from the back there. So I'm just sketching out the basic design because now I can fix it if it's not good enough or if I've made errors. So that's why I'm making this template to start off with. And then so I'm going to lower the opacity on the layer just so that I can see the difference between my new layer and this layer. And I'll just make it black. Oh, and I'm also going to make this solid, so I'm just kind of outlining his shape here. Whoops. Now I can erase those lines that aren't supposed to show through. Well, let me try that again, make his little beak. There we go. And I'm just making his feet fairly pointed because I know they have very delicate feet and little claw-like extensions coming off of them, so. And lastly, I'll draw the tail. There we go. So now if I take away that lower layer, or I just click that eye so that I can't see it anymore, it'll show me what I've created on the new layer. And now from here I can make feathers or extra details. Oops, there. So just some extra details. And that's pretty much it. So that's how I draw a bird, and hopefully that's been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.